Hello, in this video we are going to discuss about the sum of the arithmetic progression, arithmetic series or sequence. So here we take the first question. Find the sum of the series 5 plus 11 plus 17 plus dot dot 2/20th terms. Okay, so here this series is given to us and we are going to find the sum of the series up to the 20 terms. Means we are going to find the sum of the 20th terms of the series. Let's move to the solution. Here we are given that the first term, which is denoted by A, is 5. Okay, and the common difference between the consecutive terms is 6. We can say the difference between the two terms is T2 minus T1, and the sum we have to find is up to the 20th terms. So the number of terms that we are going to find, the sum is 20 and equal to 20, and we have to find the sum of these 20 terms. Okay, so let me tell you, in an arithmetic sequence, series or progression, we find the sum of n terms as n by 2 times a plus l, where l is the last term, a is the first term, and another we have that the sum of n terms is n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d. So here we don't know what is the last term, so we are going to use this second formula here. Okay, so now let's do it. Since Sn equal to n by 2 times 2a plus n minus 1 times d, therefore as 20 is equal to, so the value of n is 20 here, 20 divided by 2 times 2, and our a is 5 plus 20 minus 1, and the common difference is 6. Okay, so here we get 20 divided by 2 is 10 times 2 5 is 10 plus 19 into 6. Great, now I have 10 times 10 plus 19 into 6, I believe it is 114, and finally I have 10 times 124, which is equal to 1240. Our answer, this is the sum of the 20th term of the given series. So we are taking the second question in this video. Find the sum of the series as the nth term is defined as n plus 7. So here the series is given in the summation notation, in the sigma notation, that we have to find the sum of the series defined as n plus 7, where n runs from 1 to 11. Okay, so now here we go. In this series, the nth term is defined as n plus 7. Therefore, the first term is t1, which is 1 plus 7 equal to 8, and that will be denoted by a. And the last term, which is the 11th term, is equal to 11 plus 7 equal to 18, which is l. And when we know the first and the last term, the sum of this series is defined as n by 2 times a plus l. Okay, so we are going to use this formula here. Then we write, now S11 equal to 11 by 2 times the first term is 8 and plus the last term is 18 here, and I have 11 by 2 into 8 plus 18 is 26, so 2 divides 26 is 13 times, and 11 into 13 is 143. Friends, this is our answer. Now we are going to take the third question in this video. The question is, find the number of terms and common difference of the arithmetic series if the first term is 3 and the last term is 90 and the sum of the series is 1395. Okay, so here we are given that A, the first term is 3, L, the last term is 90. Okay, and we can denote the last term as B as well, no problem. And the sum of these terms is given as 1395. Okay, when we know the first and the last term of the series, then we can use the ascent formula as n by 2 times A plus L. Okay, so we are going to use this thing here, since sum of the n terms in an arithmetic sequence is n by 2 times A plus L. Therefore, the Sn is 1395 is equal to n by 2 times, and the first term is 3 and the last term is 90. So finally I have 1395 equal to 93n by 2, and the next I'm going to cross multiply. I get 93n equal to 1395 into 2, and n is equal to 1395 into 2 by 93, and 93 divides 1395 15 times, and I have n is equal to 15 into 2 is 30. So there are 30th term in the series and we have to find the common difference. We are given the last term is 90. We are given the last term is 90, and the last term, this 90, is the 30th term. Okay, this is the 30th term. So the last term T30 is 90, and applying the Tn formula, which is A plus n minus 1 times D, we are going to get the common difference here. So applying this formula here, we get A plus 30 minus 1 times D equal to 90, and our first term is 3 plus 29D equal to 90, or 29D is equal to 90 minus 3, and we get 29D is 87, or D is equal to 87 divided by 29, and 29 divides 87 3 times. Therefore, D is equal to 3. Hence, our answer, the common difference is 3, and the number of terms, okay, number of terms n equal to 30. This is our answer, friends. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel and do not forget to comment. Thanks for watching till the end.